In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple accounts in Yahoo Mail. Open your preferred web browser and head to yahoo.com by typing it directly into the address bar. Once the Yahoo homepage loads, look toward the upper right corner for the Sign In button. Go ahead and click it. You'll be guided through the on-screen sign-in process. Enter your Yahoo credentials and complete any verification prompts that may appear. If you're using extra security like verification codes, follow those steps as shown. After you submit your details, give it a moment for the sign-in to finish. When you're signed in, you'll see the Yahoo header again. Click Mail at the upper right to open your Yahoo Mail inbox. Inside Yahoo Mail, look for the settings icon near the top right. Click it to open the quick settings panel. At the bottom of that panel, select More Settings to open the full settings page. On the left sidebar, choose Mailboxes. This is where all your connected accounts live. Click Add Mailbox to start linking an additional email. You'll see a list of providers. Choose Google since we're adding a Gmail account to Yahoo Mail. A prompt will ask for your Gmail address. Type your Gmail address carefully, then click Next. You'll be redirected to a Google sign-in window. Click Sign In with Google to proceed. If you see a list of accounts, pick the one you want to add. If prompted, enter your Google password and complete any security checks. When you're asked to continue, click Continue to move forward. Next, you'll see a permissions screen. Select all the requested permissions so Yahoo can fetch your messages and keep things in sync. This enables features like reading mail, syncing contacts or calendar items when applicable, and managing your mailbox from within Yahoo. After confirming your selection, click Continue. You'll be brought back to Yahoo Mail's settings. Finish up by clicking Done. That's it. Your Gmail account is now connected to Yahoo Mail. It may take a few minutes for your messages to appear, especially if the mailbox is large. You can keep working while Yahoo syncs in the background. If anything seems slow, give it a little time and refresh later. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure you selected the correct Google account during sign-in, and double-check any prompts or consent screens so nothing is skipped. If you ever need to add another account, repeat this same flow from mailboxes and add mailbox. Thanks for watching.